Skincare doesn't have to be costly, so in this video, I'm gonna talk about a very common, inexpensive, and versatile skincare product, which is Vaseline. It's an OG moisturizer that's been in the market for years, and because so many new skincare products been out now, Vaseline may have taken a backseat in the skincare but not discontinued and is still pretty much found in every household. So today I'm going to talk about 5 ways to use Vaseline in your skincare routine. Hey guys, this is your pharmacist Sidra, and if you are into health, pharmacy, and beauty, then keep watching and subscribe because I'll be talking all of this here at Ask Your Pharmacist. Alright, so let's talk about the good old Vaseline, the main ingredient of which is petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is a byproduct of fossil fuels such as kerosene, gasoline, and just like these products, Vaseline has a slick, filmy consistency, but unlike these other forms of petroleum, Vaseline is completely safe to use on skin and even favorite moisturizer for some people. And speaking of that, although Vaseline is totally safe to use as a moisturizer on face, but there are some things you should know if you're using Vaseline as a moisturizer. And one of the important things is that Vaseline is an occlusive ingredient, which means it doesn't add on any hydration to your skin. What it does is basically it locks and seals the existing moisture into your skin, so you need to hydrate underneath. You have to have some kind of lotion or moisturizer onto the skin, and then to lock in that moisturizer you put on Vaseline. So again, I want to emphasize for those of you who use Vaseline as a moisturizer, you need to hydrate first with a moisturizer like Aquaphor, then apply a layer of Vaseline on top. Do this before you sleep, and this will help restore your face's natural level of moisture and softness. Another way to use Vaseline is as a lip balm. Now, it's all natural, fragrance-free, so you won't have a risk of irritation. You can mix it with your favorite lipstick to create a moisturized tint. And really, when you're applying that liquid stay-on lipstick, the last thing you want to have is the chapped or cracked lips. So really, in that case, Vaseline can come to your rescue. What I like to do is make a lip scrub by mixing Vaseline with a little bit of brown sugar and rub it on my lips and then wipe it off. It helps get rid of any dead skin on the lips. Scrubbing increases the blood circulation on the lips and make them look pretty pink and rosy. And as an added benefit, you get soft, smooth lips. And when you have nice, soft, and hydrated lips, you'll be able to apply a nice, smooth layer of your lipstick, and you can thank me later. Now, you can also apply Vaseline on your lips at bedtime, and in the morning, you can use gentle strokes of toothbrush to get rid of any dead skin and get smoother lips. But the key word here is to use gentle strokes of toothbrush on your lips. Another great way to use a Vaseline is as a makeup remover. Now, makeup remover can be expensive and sometimes it's really tough on your eyes and skin. A lot of people, including myself, get irritation on the skin with makeup removing wipes. I try to avoid them as much as I can. Therefore, in order to remove my makeup, I literally use Vaseline or coconut oil. You know, Vaseline is an inexpensive option that can easily and gently remove the eyeliner, mascara, shadow, and even the lash glue. And if you're one of those who wear waterproof mascara and always have hard time removing it, don't worry. Vaseline's got you covered. And Vaseline is totally safe to use around your eyes. It literally dissolves your makeup very well. So what I do is I use a small amount of Vaseline, put it on my face, rub it in, and then just followed by a gentle cleanser and call it good. And like I said before, my skin is sensitive to the makeup removing wipes, so I really don't use it at night. I literally use makeup removing wipes just as a spot corrector if I mess up anything during my makeup. But otherwise, I would just use coconut oil to remove my makeup at night. And if coconut oil is not available, then I just stick with Vaseline. Another way to use Vaseline is to soothe cracked heels or cuticles. If you are someone like me who's on feet all day long, then chances are your heels are going to get cracked and callus is going to build up from the excessive pressure from being on the heels all day. So I literally put a liberal amount of Vaseline on my heels and feet at night. And this not only softens the callus, but as an added bonus, it also helps prevent future callus formation. Also, if you frequently get manicures and pedicures, apply petroleum jelly on your nails and cuticles in between polishes. This will actually minimize brittleness and help prevent your nails from chipping. And for the best results, apply it when your nails are actually damp, because petroleum jelly is gonna seal in that moisture and it's gonna be great for fixing those dry nail beds and damaged dry cuticles and really help speed up that healing process. You can also use Vaseline in your skincare routine when you're starting some strong activities on your skin, like before getting a chemical peel or before applying retinoids on your skin, because these could be really harsh on your skin and can make your skin sensitive. So what I do is I apply a little bit of Vaseline on my cheeks, which is the most sensitive area for my face. And I do this whenever I'm including a strong retinoid in my skincare routine. This would literally prevent any redness or skin sensitivity. Well, another thing you can do with Vaseline is slugging. Now, this is a popular skincare trend where you basically cover the whole face with Vaseline as a last step of your skincare at night. And you kind of seal in all the products that you have applied on your skin. Now, here's the thing. I wouldn't recommend doing that every night because Vaseline may clog your pores if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Also, if you have applied any of the ingredients on your skin which can cause irritation or make your skin sensitive, then basically you are locking in that ingredient on your face by putting Vaseline over. In that case, I really recommend that you do a skin test or just try those ingredients on your face for a couple of nights before you start the slugging process. Now, if you dye your hair at home and you get hair dye all over your face, neck, and ears, then the best way to protect your skin from the stains of the hair dye is by applying a layer of Vaseline at the hairline before you dye your hair. And trust me, the dye will not stick to the Vaseline and you will not get those funny patterns of dye on your skin. Now, Vaseline is great for skin, but it's not like a fix-it-all kind of a thing. There are instances where you shouldn't use Vaseline and steer clear of it. For example, if you're looking for something to soothe your skin after a long sun bath, then do not reach for your tub of Vaseline. The oily formation can actually lock in the heat and can further exacerbate any sun damage to your skin. And see, while the label of the Vaseline indicates that it can be used for minor burns, but that's only to help heal those small wounds, not the sunburn. Also, if you have acne-prone skin or your pores gets clogged easily, then I wouldn't recommend that you use Vaseline. Petroleum jelly or just in general any oil-based products can clog your skin easily and your skin may break out. So if you have oily skin, using Vaseline every once in a while will be okay, but I would not recommend making it a part of your regular skincare routine, because it's like adding oil to oil, which is not gonna do any benefit. Also remember, Vaseline locks moisture, which includes locking in that excess oil or sebum on the skin as well. And this is gonna result in more skincare problems. Another thing is I wouldn't wear Vaseline under my makeup because it's very sticky and it does not absorb into your skin. So reserve it just for your nighttime skincare when you don't mind looking like a glazed donut. Although I think there's nothing wrong looking like a glazed donut. Alright, so those were some of the ways you can use Vaseline in your skincare. Honestly, now that so many other elegant and fine skincare products are available, not a lot of people use Vaseline. But I still have a tub of Vaseline at home in case I need it for something, because if you really Google the uses of Vaseline, you'll find like hundreds and tens of DIY tips and tricks to use Vaseline. Well, let me know in the comments if you have any DIY uses of Vaseline and what are some other ways that you like to use Vaseline. Also, don't hesitate to put down your questions and video suggestions in the comment section. I love reading your comments. Lastly, like and share if you found value in this video, and find me on Instagram, askyourpharmacist.sid, and I'll see you guys next time with another great video on health, pharmacy, and beauty. Until then, take care. Bye.